In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Syncee for Shopify. To get started, open the Shopify App Store and install the Syncee app. This is the first step to connecting Syncee with your Shopify store so you can begin sourcing and importing products. Once the app is installed, open it and choose the plan that fits your needs. After that, complete the onboarding wizard. This setup process is important because it helps Syncee connect properly to your store and prepares the app for product importing and syncing. When onboarding is complete, go into the Syncee app and start looking for products. This is where you can browse the available catalog and find items that make sense for your store. Take your time here and focus on products that match your niche, pricing strategy, and brand style. Choosing the right products at this stage can make the rest of the setup much easier. After you have found the products you want to work with, go to the Products section and then open the Import list. The Import list is where you review the products before sending them to Shopify. This part is useful because it gives you a chance to make sure everything looks right before the items go live in your store. Next, set your pricing rules, including your markup. This step helps you control how much profit you want to make on each item. Make sure your pricing is competitive but also leaves enough room for margin. While you are in this section, edit the product titles and descriptions as needed. This is a good time to make your listings clearer and more aligned with your brand. Well-written titles and descriptions can also help improve the shopping experience for your customers. Once your pricing rules are set and your product information is updated, click Sync to Shopify. This will push the selected products directly into your store. After the sync is complete, your imported items should appear in Shopify, where you can continue reviewing them and prepare them for sale. That is the full process for using Syncee with Shopify. Install the app, complete the onboarding, find products, review them in the import list, adjust your pricing and product details, and then sync everything to your store. That covers everything you need to know.